Hey, what's up, everybody? This is part 2 of the XRP ETF announcement with another idea here. So, this could be a 1 2 1 2, and then we get a mega third wave to the upside, which means that if this is an impulse and this is a 3-wave pullback, so we have 3 up, and then we have 3 down, and we have 3 up. We could get 1 2 3 4 5 down. So this could be a much larger 3-wave correction to the downside. So we have to be very cautious right now. There's a lot of things that, this is not going right. I'm not going to get into it again, but Iran, all the deep state crap. So again, we have this 5-wave move up. We have 3 down, 3 up, 3 back down, right? So this could be the 3-wave move. And now we're going to be heading higher. That's very possible. And we have a shoulder, right? But if it wants to be more bearish than that, for example, when you look at Bitcoin, I had this little drawing earlier. This could be right here, which is an ABC. This could be A, B, C, right? And this whole move could be A, B, and then C down, right? So definitely one to look forward to if for opportunity is concerned. And what that would be is just get rid of that. It's just an ABC, right? And then what that would be is 3 down, 3 up, and then 1 2 3 back down. So in other words, we have a W, X, and then Y. And then right here, we have 5 down. That's a 5-wave move there. We get 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It breaks the low, gets everybody bearish. Super dump, right? But then it kind of levels off, and then we come up here, we flag out, and then we just go completely crazy to the upside. So that's my main bearish idea. That's the main bearish idea, which is a WXY. It's a double 3. It's a complex triple correction, very detailed, very complex situation here. So if that's not the case, then we're going to want to hold support in here. And this could be a 1, an expanded flat for 2, and then another 1 and another 2, and then we can continue higher. And basically we have an A, this is B, and this is C. So A, B, C, right? But the problem is this wave structure still looks corrective. So it's a little bit conflicting right now. So we're just going to have to give it some time. But that's the main idea, WXY for the bears. The main idea for the bulls is essentially holding this 57K area and then finding a bottom and then making a higher high. So, and as far as XRP versus Bitcoin, looks great. I mean, it didn't even flinch. I mean, look at all the volatility, all the downward pressure today. Look at the daily candle on XRP versus Bitcoin. It's beautiful. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it at all. So when you look at it, right, I see a 3-wave move down, right? 3 down, 3 up, 3 down, 1 2 3, and then I see this impulse, and now I see it flagging out in here. So let's go. Once it's done, we can come back, a little bit lower, but all in all, it looks like that's how she's looking as of now. This can turn into something more complex, right? 3 down, there can be 3 up, and then we can get 3 down later and then go. It could be a much bigger 3-way move. We still don't know that yet. So it's all about the retracement levels. XRP versus Ethereum. We got a running flat here, A, B, C, right? Or it could be WXY, where this comes in and it comes down like that. So we have some kind of flat pattern here that back tests and then continues. I mean, it could be done. It could be a running flat, in which case we would want to flag out and continue higher. So the main thing I'm looking at for XRP is, can we hold this zone in here? I would really like to see that zone get held, but it wouldn't surprise me if we broke it, simply because there's a lot of selling pressure right now in the other cryptos, Bitcoin. We just had the ETF, so that could be a reason why it's sustaining it. But once that fizzles out, we could, see another move down, right? So watching, obviously, this trend line, we came below it, we broke back above it, so that's basically invalidated. The other trend line here would be this one. You can kind of see it going back down to there. So that's the trend line I'm looking for. If we break that to the downside, then I'm looking at 54 to 55 cents, or at least this green, or this bull market support band. There we go. So somewhere in that area. And like I said, this could be 3 down, 3 up, and we could get 3 back down. It could be a bigger ABC like this. Go sideways a little bit, then break out at a later time, right? And then when you look at that on the 2-day, for example, that's kind of how it would look. And that wouldn't surprise me at all. And it would kind of, for example, like back test this trend line, maybe have a little bit of a fake out, whatever. So yeah, you can see the wave structure very clearly here. Wave 1, right? This could be an A, B, C, a more complex 3-wave move, right? So look out for that bad boy. That thing can come down pretty hard. So, and then go back up. You see what I mean? So we're just gonna have to wait and see. They're hunting for liquidity, right? If they want to expand the market, if they want to break it out, if they want, they need liquidity, and they draw it in by doing stuff like this. So anyways, we'll see what happens. All right, guys, that'll do it for this video. The main thing is, can we break above that one once it's all said and done? Because, we haven't done anything until we break above that, 65, 70 cent area. So we'll see if, they start blasting off more missiles, or we'll see. Anyways, that'll do it. I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.